mai koutou, Kor Ja-zel. My name is Ja-zel.
And Morena, Winton School, Kor Matthew ahau. I am Matthew. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 20th of June.
Okay, let's start the week with the tidy class news. So let's have a drum roll, please, for
Rooms 13, 12 and 11.
Nice work. Keep your classes tidy and you might be eating pizza for lunch in the last week of the term.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is uma, which is te reo for run.
As in uma rapeti, which is te reo for run, rabbit.
That's uma, which is te reo for run.
Southland cross-country news. A big shout out to all the runners representing Central on Friday.
A big kia ora to Rebecca Torrie for her 6th placing, Sarah Beck for her 3rd placing, and Riley Ballantyne for her 1st placing.
Well done, ladies. Top effort. A special congratulations, Riley. Nice work.
Funny puka puka news.
The House of Books, aka the library, will be open tomorrow at 12:45 for returns, browsings and issuing.
Ka pai, high-vis vests. Most people are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise. Health and safety news. Scooters. Walk them within the school grounds, especially after school. Kia ora.
And as it's icy and slippery out there, please walk around the corners and watch your step.
Hockey news. All 0 to 5 hockey players meet on the new basketball court at 12:45. Kia ora.
Pals news. Nothing today because the hall is being used for inter-house spelling bee.
Inter-house spelling bee news. Year 5 and 6 students, you're up today.
Your houses need you, so get yourself to the hall at 12:45 for the elimination round. Bring a pencil.
Birthday news. 2 at Winton School today. Veer Jukes hits the magic teenage 13.
And Luca Peters is another year older, celebrating his 9th birthday today.
Bravo, kia koutou. Enjoy your birthdays, gentlemen.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news, ka kite popo. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry and stay off the frosty grass, Winton School.